Hey guys, I'm back with this revamping my style. This is the style I did previously, my latest style. And I just wanted to come on and just show you guys what I do in the morning when I don't tie my hair down properly. Sometimes that's just what happens. You just don't tie your hair down properly and you have a mess in the morning. So my hair wasn't really a mess, but I just needed to touch up my leave out and my, the hair. And so I just wanted to show you in real time what it is, what I do, how I do it, and pretty much just go through the whole routine. But I'm going to be coming back with a nighttime routine on how I do prep my hair at night to make sure I don't have to do this in the morning. But enjoy the video. I didn't speed up the video because I wanted you to see in real time how easy it was. When I first do a style, yes, I will go in very intricately and just curl every piece of hair in small sections, being as though the hair is already cut. It's already trained to go this way. I can do it this way. That's why I showed you versatility in my other video. But I'm going to wait on this side for now. But I'm going to switch up the style soon, maybe next week or so. But I wanted to show you that you don't have to curl every little piece of hair like I do in my initial styling video, because you have to train the hair on where you want it to lay. So basically I just showed you like 4 curls, pin curled it. Now you can go do your makeup, get dressed, and the curl will cool. That's why I pin curled it again. And it's so simple to have this style. Like, I love this style. It's very simple and I love it. And you guys love it too. Thank you so much for all the love on my last upload. I know you guys love short hair, and I love her short hair too, and I love you for loving me and my short hair. So thank you for all the love, all the comments, all the likes on my last video. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. But yeah, now you can go on, like I said, and do your makeup. Obviously, I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to show you how I would revamp my hair. But yeah, then you can, like I said, go do your makeup and get cute and come back and let the style down. I'm going to let it down. I'm going to let it cool. I'm going to let it down. And the sides, I don't have that much hair, so it shouldn't dry. Shouldn't take that long to dry. Hello. But yeah, I want to show you this Carrot Hair Styling Wax Stick. This has been a dream come true. I've seen people use this, and I never once wanted it until I picked it up. And I used to find that I had like stubborn hair, like in the back, sticking up, like this. Like, I put the Carrot Hair Wax Stick on it, but I didn't bump it. Yeah, I put the wax stick on it, but I just took the flat iron, not the flat iron, I took the curling iron, and I just literally just smoothed it down. Like, it's smooth, as you can see, it's smooth, but that little stubborn piece wanted some bumpage, so we're gonna bump it slightly. But yeah, this style is super easy to maintain, even when I'm being lazy and I don't pin curl it at all, which is what you saw. I can just pin it a certain way and it will stay. So I think I want to do a nighttime routine. So yeah, I'm going to come back and do my nighttime routine, showing you how I preserve the curl, because not every day you want to put heat on your hair, or you have time to put heat on your hair. But say you did have time and you just wanted to refresh it, that's what this video is. But I'm going to definitely come back and show you my nighttime routine on how I wrap my hair, put my scarf on, my bonnet, how I position the curl to pin curl it, and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is me just revamping it. I'm going to let it cool, and I'm going to come back and show you how the curl is. And yeah, so I'll be right back. So my hair is set, and no, I don't have on my bead. Not today, guys. I'm not going anywhere, but I wanted to just, come on and show you how the curl's set. So I smoothed my sides, but I was, how I go. But I'm going to check my sides out. I normally have to double and triple check and fix my sides up, but I'm just going to take this off. And for the most part, it's fine. Just got to brush it. Yeah, as long as I brush it, it's fine. But yeah, this, just the Nairobi, like literally, it was another girl on YouTube. No, it was one of my old co-workers. She was always talking about Nairobi. And then I was watching somebody do short hair when I first started, and they were using Nairobi too. And I was like, why not? Nairobi is key. It just, even though like I don't have a lot of hair on my sides, Nairobi just literally helps everything just lay down flatter than, you know what I mean? Like not using any setting lotion. This is a Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. So yeah, you're just going to take the pins down. Take the pins out and reposition the hair. and you're good to go. So this is what I would do in the morning when I did not take care of my hair at night. So yeah, this is what my hair would look like after 15 minutes of it setting. This is my how I revamp a style, because I'm just doing styles and I don't let you know how I revamp them. But yeah, this is how I would revamp it, and you're back to normal. You know what I mean? No fuss, no muss. All I did was take it and curl it twice on the top, twice on the bottom, pin, do something else before you're out the door. You know what I mean? Get you some cheese, rub it through your hands, hit it down, and you're out the door. So that's how I revamp my style. But I'm going to come on and show you how I prep it at night so you didn't have the time to do it. I'm going to show you how I prep it, but that's in another video. So I hope you enjoyed my 1, 2, 3 how to revamp your new style in a rush if you didn't tie your hair down like me. But until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.